If you are looking for a pecan cake, this is the recipe. It's soft on the inside and crunchy on the outside, and with a scoop of ice cream, oof! Now let's go with the recipe. Just mix almond flour, monkfruit, baking powder with tapioca flour and cinnamon. Mix all these ingredients until they are well incorporated. In another bowl, mix the liquids. It includes 1 whole egg and 1 egg white. Then add maple syrup or honey, whatever you prefer. Add almond milk, or if you prefer, any other vegetable milk. Add some drops of vanilla and just beat all these ingredients by hand. Now we're going to incorporate the liquids into the dry ones. Once everything is well mixed, we're going to add a half cup of chopped pecans. I put the mixture in a silicone mold, but you can also grease one or put non-stick paper. Bake it for 25 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. And voila, buenazo!